All right, everyone, welcome to Wyoming. We're here at the LaPrele Dam, which they are very clearly demolishing behind me. We've got Mike Beeler's PC490 with the Indeco HP10000, and we've got the PC800 high reach with the MBI processor on it. We actually drove down to Beeler's about 3 or 4 weeks ago when he was getting these machines prepped to be shipped out here. You can find that video on our Patreon, but today we're going to be showing you this site.
We're going to be using a little bit of a different camera setup for this vlog, so if you guys think this turns out a little better, you can comment that, let us know. We'll use this a little more. So let's get into it. So we're up on the outlook right next to the dam here. Due to safety reasons, we're not allowed to actually stand on top of the dam while it's being demolished. Behind me here is the drained reservoir. That had to be done to relieve the pressure and allow the crews to be able to pull this dam down and to build the future dam about 100 feet behind where the camera's sitting right now. Yesterday, we ended off the day breaking up ice. It's been very cold here. Today we have a beautiful day. It's in the 40s, it's gonna be up in the 50s. They had to break off ice on the outlet pipes so that they can attach new outlet pipes to extend out and bury the existing infrastructure that they want to save. That way, when they pull parts of the dam down and they land in that area, they don't risk damaging all that expensive infrastructure. Behind me here is the pipe I was talking about earlier when we were up above. They have one valve releasing water right now, and they have one pipe that they started to attach on the closed valve. Those pipes, you can see the bench there, they'll be buried where they are. That water will be coming out of here rather than right at the dam. And once they're buried, that concrete will be able to be dropped down without damaging the infrastructure they're trying to save there. Those pipes can't be both on at the same time. The diverted culverts here that they have set up are not able to handle that amount of water. So until they're able to control the ice and get the pipes mounted properly, they are keeping one closed and one open and keeping the pipe off the second one.
All right, that's going to wrap up our site visit here at the LaPrele Dam in Wyoming. It's been a very interesting 2 days. They've gotten most of this first section down while we were here. They started about 2 weeks ago, but they finished it this week. And once they finish that, they're going to start working their way through the rest of the dam. First, they've got to secure the pipe down below, and then they can work across. And then over the coming weeks, once the old dam is down, they'll start construction on the new one, which hopefully we'll be able to come back out and film some content when they're actually building the new one. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll catch you guys next time.